Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without living happier. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. In this video, I'm going to tell you all 5 unknown facts about the producer of one of the longest running Indian sitcoms, Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. Yes, he is no other than Asit Kumar Modi. So let's start. Number 1. Asit Kumar Modi began his career as a technician. He was a lighting designer for Gujarati professional stage shows and handled the production and creative department of various serials in regional languages. Number 2. The idea of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma was suggested by the actor Jatin Karnakya, who worked with him in his serial Hum Sab Ek Hain. Number 3. From 2006 to 2008, for almost 2 years, Asit Kumar was jobless. He would spend his days in his office playing carom. Number 4. In 2008, when Asit Kumar approached various channels with Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma concept, almost all the channels rejected it. They would give reasons like the main actor of the serial is 35 plus and so on. The shocking part here is the Sony Entertainment Channel had rejected it 3 times. Number 5. Sub TV liked the concept of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. But being a new channel that time, they told Asit Kumar to make the show with low budget. Asit Kumar knew that it was difficult to manage a huge set and a large number cast with low budget. So with the fear of losses, Asit Kumar dropped the idea. But his wife Neela Kumar Modi told him not to fear about the profits or losses, just go on with the show. So these were some unknown facts about Asit Kumar Modi. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.